In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Msvcr100.dll missing. What you want to do is you want to head over to Google and search for the DLL file. Go to digitalsolved.com right here, and you want to download this one. Now you want to look for 32 or 64 version, and you can find which one you need on the system information. I need the 64 one. So just click download and it will take you to this page, and you should get the download right here. Now once you have it, just drag it on your desktop, and after that what you want to do is come here and search for services, open up services, scroll down until you find P, and we want to look for performance, performance, logs, and alerts. This one you want to double click, automatic, start, apply, OK, close it down. Then come here and search for File Explorer. Go to the drive where you have Windows. Go to Windows, System32. Open up the zip file. And then we want to look for the DLL file. So just give it a second to open up. I don't know why it's taking so long. But we want to open up this file right here. Take the DLL and drag it into System32. So just drag it in here. As you can see, I already have it in here, but if you don't have it in here, you're gonna drag it in there, and then it should work. So restart your PC, and now it should be fixed. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.